We're live now, and we apologize for already having some fun before we got started here. Today is hey, what happened to your cat ears, Ricky? Okay, there we go.
Why aren't you in uniform?
So today is RiKitty's hot seat day. First of all,
Is the reckoning.
You want to just tell us real briefly what happened on Friday?
We barely got there in time. So
Well, what's there?
To the Taylor Swift concert.
To the what?
The Taylor Swift concert.
The Taylor Swift concert at Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas.
Yes. And it was absolutely insane. And we ended up with really good seats for the price. I mean, we ended up with some of the best seats in the whole stadium.
They were fantastic seats. I saw pictures. You sent us pictures.
Yes, it was phenomenal. And she put on an excellent show. And I don't think that there's an artist as big as her that I would shell out a lot of money to go see ever again. So it really was once in a lifetime thing. So
yeah.
Thank you for that. But it was really fun.
Ricky is thanking me because on Friday, and we did this live. So if you want to go back in the archives on our YouTube channel at YouTube Bill Weinman, and then you go over to the tab for live streams and you see the live stream for Friday. What was it? Friday afternoon. We were supposed to do Ricky doing SQL on the hot seat, but she'd gotten these last minute tickets. And she was trying to tell me that it was okay, we could do the live stream and then she could leave afterwards. And I told her, no, you'll never make it in time. And she felt this obligation to her job because she's amazing and very loyal.
Bold of you to assume I'm not just exceptionally hyped about trying SQL.
Well, that might also be some of it. But I just, on the live stream, I just said, okay, we're going to cancel this live stream. And I pretended to be sick so that we couldn't do it.
No, the way you set that up, I thought me and Ricky were about to get our freaking
emotions.
No, I thought we were about to get in trouble live in front of everyone, because you're so good at like the stone.
I said, I've got a dilemma. And
yes, like the stone cold killer. Mm-hmm. And I was like, my heart, I think I even have it recorded.
Has a thing. And yeah, but
my heart rate was through the roof. I was like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Your face was like,
I was freaking out.
Anyway, the idea was that it's more important for Ricky to have the experience of her lifetime, and then to be here putting on the hot seat for SQL. But okay, so all that happened. Do you want to show us some pictures, or do you just want to get right into the SQL?
I will show you one of the photos of me and my friend from outside the stadium, and then I'll show you what it actually looked like from our seats, which got up to $7,000 for those seats, which is...
You didn't pay $7,000.
Oh, hell no. I didn't even pay a fraction of that. It was still pricey, honestly, but it was definitely worth it. And it was a way better deal than, than it originally was.
From what I heard, they sold this thing out in like...
They sold it out almost immediately.
Yeah, in like seconds, it was sold out.
Yeah, I tried to get tickets the first time and it just was not happening. All right, here we go.
And they were all scalped tickets. There you guys are, looking fabulous.
Yep.
You almost look like Taylor Swift in that dress.
I actually thrifted it months ago it ended up being $5. It was on sale and I was like, it's so beautiful. I can't not buy it. But I had to. I really, really had to, because it was just
one of my favorite things about Ricky, because she also does some shopping for us, is that she is amazing at finding the best deals for things.
I couponed your orange juice today. It ended up being like about a third of the price. So there you go.
Well, that's fabulous. So Rick,
and here was the view from where we were sitting.
Yeah, that's just amazing. That is just amazing. And
it was wonderful.
Ricky also shared with us that she doesn't like floor seats because she can't see over other.
Yeah, it was standing room only. So if you could see, there's her band and the stage, and then there's the floor seats, and then there was like maybe 4 or 5 rows below us. We were in like the first section up. So
yeah, they have what they call the GA section with the general admission section, which is all standing room.
yep.
And yeah, they do this at all the concerts these days.
Yeah. And then there's me and my friend again.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It was so much fun. And this was right before we ran in to try to hurry up and see her.
So as I understand it, you got in just in time for the start of the show.
We entered the venue, like into where our section was, and these seats were so nice that we had to go through a lounge. We saw a celebrity in the lounge, not related to Taylor Swift, but a female celebrity, and we saw her in the lounge. We had to pass by this exclusive lounge to get to her section.
Are we guessing?
No, it was just her name was, I don't know if you'd know her. Her name is Chloe Grace Moretz, and we saw her on our way to our section.
Sure, she's a famous actress. She's been in a lot of stuff.
Yep.
She's in something right now that I haven't been watching, but she was in that HBO show with the Mormons. I'm trying to with I think it was Bill Bixby, and yeah, she was in that. And
yep,
she's a great actress. I know
she is. She was great. She made eye contact with me, which was nice. She seemed nice. But yeah, we had to pass through this lounge, and the minute we walked in,
that's RiKitty from that from that live stream.
The minute we walked into the actual venue where our section was and where the stadium opened up, the minute we walked in is when she came out on stage, and everyone went nuts. And yeah, it was.
So they were basically cheering for you guys, showing up on time.
Exactly. It's exactly how it was. But we had to be dropped off a mile away from the stadium. So we walked like a mile and a half to get. So you were totally right on that. But we didn't miss a minute, and it was fabulous. And I guess because Ticketmaster dropped those seats so late, we had almost an entire row to ourselves. We had like good 5-6 seats to ourselves. So we had a lot of dancing space. So that was fun.
Fantastic. All right. Well, we're really, really glad that you got to do that. And this is an experience of a lifetime. You'll tell your grandkids about it.
Yeah, my grandkittens.
Your grandkitties. So, okay. I think it's SQL time now. What do you think?
I think it's SQL time.
Are you
but
nervous?
just fair warning, I didn't go practice it. I wanted to be as true to it as possible. And all I did was transcribe the videos once over, but you're an excellent teacher, so I think I know enough.
All right.
Maybe make some stuff happen with a bit of suggestions, All
right. So you ready to share your screen?
Mm-hmm.
Are you nervous?
You can tell she is.
No.
Yes.
Are your palms sweaty?
Spaghetti arms, spaghetti.
Are your knees
spaghetti? What is can you make me a host?
Oh yeah. I'm just going to put multiple participants can share. So you go ahead. You should be able to share. Your ears keep disappearing. I think that is a sign of how nervous you are.
I know. I'm getting like my orange cat Momo. He gets airplane ears, and his ears like go back. So
yeah.
Maybe it's just not bright enough in here. There. Okay, that should work. All right. I'm certainly trying. Oh wow, I have a lot of things open. Here we go.
You can just select that one app.
I know. There. All right.
Okay, so here we are. This is Ricky's okay, and it's only giving so you just don't have the databases showing.
Oh, you know what? I have them open here.
But they're not docked.
Yeah, I'm gonna share again. And what I'm gonna do here is just share my whole.
No, that's okay. You don't have to do that.
No, I got it, because I want you all to be able to see the databases. So there's
okay. Well, I've never
Inception.
I've never done this before, where the I've never seen that you could undock the databases. That's just what I've not seen. You don't have to. Okay, so you've got all you're just doing everything here.
Yeah,
All right.
here.
All right. So here we are.
Okay.
All right. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is the most simplest version of the select, which is
Okay.
to have it display the words "Hello World."
Have it display the words. Then that would be a create table then.
No.
Oh,
All you have to do,
gotcha.
your source is just the string. All right. And you should get a syntax error for that.
Yep,
So
you're right.
you do not need, go back to the query window. You've got everything in such a state here. All right. And you don't need the asterisk.
Okay.
So you can just, no, the semicolon is correct. It's the asterisk that you want to get rid of. Now it should work.
Nope.
Okay. Now the reason it's not working now is because you should be using single quotes and not double quotes.
Oh, yep. Okay.
Now it should work.
That was closer than I thought it would be.
Oh, very good. Very good. Now, meow. I want you to show me all of the records from the album table in the album database.
The album table. Okay, so I know it's something like this, but I think that I'm missing some quotes somewhere.
You're not missing quotes. The quotes you don't need. What you're missing is the word from.
From.
There you go. Excellent.
Ah, there it is.
Very good job. Now just show me the albums by the Beatles. Yes. So here's a tip.
And I know you're pedantic, so you would have kept the of the Beatles.
Right. And you need to put the Beatles in single quotes.
Yes.
Because it's a literal string.
Yep.
So before you go and do that, you see in your databases, that's excellent. Look at that. You did that really good. You see in your databases listing in the databases pane, if you open up album,
Mm-hmm.
so just press the disclosure arrow on album. You see the little that there, and then the one on columns. Now you can see all the names of the columns.
Yes.
There you go. Well, that was excellent. Let's find some more challenging. Okay. I want to see the name, continent, and region of every country in the world database
Mm-hmm.
that's on the continent of Europe.
Okay, you want to see the name?
So you have to select the world database.
Yep.
Your little drop down, you see up there?
Mm-hmm.
Not there. No, up in your editor.
Oh, world.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so what qualifiers did you want?
So I want the columns that are named country, or yeah, I want name, continent, and region.
Okay. I know that there is a way to sort these like by ascending or descending.
Get to that. We'll get to that. But
Okay.
This one.
Dang it. Okay. Shoot. I know this.
Yeah, you don't need the parentheses.
I don't.
Just list the columns separated by commas.
Okay. So you want continent, region, and
Name.
name. I'll do name first.
Exactly.
From, oh, well, I guess it's already in this, so I don't have to put from, right?
Yeah, you do.
Okay, I do.
So it's in the world database, but you need the name of the table.
Gotcha. From world?
What's the name of the table?
World?
Look in your databases and see the tables.
The tables are city, country. I guess it would be from country.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's excellent. Now, so that's the entire database, but I
Mhm.
just want the ones that are in Europe.
Oh, gotcha.
And also, this works, but you do not need the quotes around the table name.
Oh,
Because there aren't any spaces in it. And so it's just, it's just fine without the quotes.
okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Where, hold on, hang on. Where you wanted Europe, right? Where continent
Exactly.
is equal to Europe.
And you do need quotes around Europe.
Yeah. Because that's a string.
Exactly.
Okay.
There you go. Look at that. Now, make it alphabetical by name.
By name of the country?
Yes, by the name column.
Shoot, I totally know this.
Of course you do.
Hmm?
Of course you do.
Okay, I know it's ascending, or I could do it opposite and do it descending, but I can't remember if there's parentheses or not. But I know that the key there, the keyword is ascending.
Well, that's part of
Sort
it.
by, I could do sort by.
Yeah, but the word is not sort.
It's not sort.
We have a comment from LinkedIn. It's Anna Tomboulian.
Hi, Anna. I
she
know
said-
Anna. I know Anna IRL.
And
Nice.
she said, "Go, RiKitty."
I'm trying. Hold on. I have to figure out why the hell I'm orange. I don't know, but I'm giving Donald Trump, and I don't. I'd rather be black and white than orange, honestly. There. Okay. I don't know. I think it's the pink light in my room was turning me orange. Okay, back at it. Hold on. Share screen.
Combination of interesting lights in your room.
Yes, I'm a light connoisseur, I like to think. Okay, back at it. Less orange this time.
So just let me know if you want a hint, but you were on the right track. It's just the word is not sort.
It's not. Order by.
Exactly. Yay.
Order by ascending.
So you have to give it the name of the column that you want to order by.
Oh, right. Order. Oh, okay. Order by name.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Order by name. Well, let's see if that works. Yes, there it is.
Yay.
Oh,
Excellent. So it defaults to ascending,
mm-hmm.
or you can do descending if you want the Z's first.
Yes. So order by name, comma. I know that it's this somewhere.
Yeah, but you don't need the comma. The comma will mess you up. Exactly.
Okay. Got to put the semicolon.
Right. And I think you can press F9 instead of just going
I
over.
could do that, but for some reason it simply will not allow me to do that. I press, okay, watch. I know you can't see my actual thing here, but if I press F9, nothing happens. If I let me try Shift F9.
Try Command Enter.
Command Enter. Nope.
Yeah, okay. So it's just not set up with a shortcut. We can work on that another day.
Okay.
All right. So what about rows that have a population that's greater than 1 million
Okay.
on the continent of Europe. So you're gonna combine two.
Yeah, it's the where and then the greater than sign. Where okay, I'm just gonna write out what I know right now, and then I'll sort it out after. But where population is greater than 1,000, you said?
1 million.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think it's this.
That will work. That will work.
I don't think it will.
Well, I mean, it did work. It gave that gave you the names of the countries where the population is greater than 1 million.
Oh, do you want to see the population too?
Yeah, that could help. Yeah, that might help. There you go.
There.
And
oh, let me order it.
yeah, good plan. And you might want to do descending.
Oh, sure. Oops. Oh no. Okay,
There you go.
Okay.
Now some people complain that it looks like you got some smaller numbers before some larger numbers. All that is the proportional spacing of the font. I think it was really stupid for them to make this a proportional spaced font for this purpose. But you'll notice that like that third row.
Mm-hmm.
No. Yeah, like the
This United States?
no, like Pakistan looks like it's bigger than Brazil. But
Oh, yeah, the kerning's completely effed.
because you have all those ones in Brazil, they take up less space than the 8s and the 0s and like that. Now let's scroll down and let's see. Do you have records that are smaller than 1 million?
Yeah, I do. Why? I did it wrong.
Why is that?
Because I did it wrong.
So maybe don't put population in quotes.
Yeah, there we go. Let's try that.
There you go. Now it says 154 rows and all of them are over 1 million.
Yep. What the heck?
What?
I never knew about like this country or this country or this country, and they have over 1 million people living in them. So
yeah, Swaziland is in Africa. Gabon, I don't know where Gabon is, but keep in mind that this is also a very old database.
Yes, my friend Chanel, who I went to that Taylor Swift concert with on Friday, is from Trinidad.
Oh, brilliant!
She was born there, and then she's working on getting her U.S. citizenship here, but she's from Trinidad. So
that's brilliant. I've known some people from there in the past.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, excellent. So now what I want is just those where the population is greater than 1 million, and they're also in Europe.
I'm gonna try this.
Okay.
It might not work, but
I'll let you try it.
But I'm gonna try it. So yeah, no.
So what does the error say?
Near.
So how about what might go there instead of the comma?
That was gonna be my second try. That's what I was gonna do, but I thought maybe, hey, if I just omit it.
At least the error didn't just say error.
So Oh yeah, it's a little better than that. Notice that now there's just 35 rows. And if you want to, you could also include.
I could include the continent itself.
And yeah, and maybe the region. There you go.
Seas.
So
Very cool.
look at what you're able to do here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really, really impressed. I don't know about you.
Thank you. Literally all I did, and I auto transcribed it too. So really all I was doing was checking for spell
I
checks.
noticed that.
But I was checking for spell checks. I fixed most errors that I found. And if a couple got by me, then
It came up with some interesting interpretations of the syllables SQL.
I fixed almost all of those because I know it. They did Escuela. They did SQL. There was a lot of weird things that they did instead of SQL. And don't get me started on SQL Lite.
Yeah, there's a few more, but it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, out of all of these, I really only want the top 5.
Okay. Okay, the top 5.
No pressure.
Oh, lots of pressure. Now,
From who?
I'm just going to point out that this doesn't all need to be on one line.
I know. That's how I was, but
There you go.
oopsies. I now understand the saying that coding is really just checking for spell checks and errors and typos. That's really what it is. It's not like hacking, action movie. You know what I mean?
Right.
Like action movie hackers. It's just looking for
it's not the
typos.
guy going on the keyboard.
Yep. All right. Okay, I'm so sorry. My train of thought has left the station.
Okay, we just want the first 5 rows.
Gotcha. I'm struggling.
Yeah. Want me to give you
Okay, let me try this. Where ID, so I know that's the ID line.
Yeah.
Where
It's not though.
it's not this.
There is no column named ID.
Oh, because it's not named ID.
There's
Okay.
a much simpler solution.
Okay, well, I'm going to find a solution. And that's, I guess, also what coding is.
You want to find a very simple solution.
I'm going to find a very simple solution. And it's not going to be necessarily right, but it is a solution. So let's do all of this then.
That didn't really work, did it?
No. Let me see. Okay. I mean.
Okay, that was clever. That was clever. But what if you didn't really know what the values were in that column? So you want to put that back to 1 million.
Okay.
And before the semicolon, before the semicolon, you need a clause that tells you how many records you want.
Five. Not join.
No, we're not there yet.
No, we're not there yet. Phone a friend?
Do you want me to tell you?
Yes, it's not in my brain right now.
The word is limit.
Okay. Limit 5.
Exactly.
There it is.
There you go.
Limit 5.
Good job.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
Good job. No, I'm really impressed. I mean, I gave you a little hint, but you knew how it worked.
Katie Heron says the limit does not exist.
I know. Limit does not exist.
That's a mean girls quote.
Well, what's fun is if you, after the limit clause, if you put another clause called offset
Mm-hmm.
and say offset 5,
Offset.
Oh, it'll add another 5. Yep. Yep. Okay, I knew that.
get rid of that. Yeah, there you go. And that's
Offset
the
5.
second 5.
Oh, yeah, that's the second 5. Okay. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Oh, I don't know why this is here. But
Yeah, nobody knows why.
no, I meant I don't know why this is here.
Just say close on.
No, actually, you know what? I want this. I want this because this
Oh.
is going to solve my problem of having to go back and forth, I think.
Oh, look at that.
Okay. Nope. Okay, just kidding.
All right.
Okay.
So, you want to solve that problem because this is just a quirk of this thing. Just put your cursor anywhere inside that query. Just move it up a line, your cursor. Just press your up arrow once.
Mm-hmm.
And just press the go button and it'll find that query. Just press the go button right now.
The go button?
Run button, the arrow.
Oh, F9.
Yeah, F9. Yeah, the F9 that doesn't exist.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so I could also put it into form view.
Yeah, you
So
know what?
this is each one of them.
And that'll actually let you edit the database, and it's evil, and it does not teach you SQL.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, then the form view can go back to where it came from.
Yeah, you can just go back to your query view now. Okay. I think we've done a good job of demonstrating that you learned a lot. Do you want to try something more advanced?
I will certainly try, but I will probably fail. And if you want, I mean, I could actually dedicate myself to like watching all of the videos back for realsies. And you could quiz me on some of the harder stuff. We could do another episode on it.
I was gonna say we could go round 2.
We could go around 2 with the harder shit.
Okay, so we'll do this. We'll give you a week.
Okay.
Go through the videos again, and then we're going to do some joins.
Ooh, joins. Okay, I understand the concept of joins. I have not put any of this into practice up until right now. So I get the concept of joins, and the concept is left join, right join. Most of the time in most databases, there is no right join. You just have to rearrange the table so that right is now on the left. And you know, it's like the Venn diagram thing where it'll show values that intersect, and then it'll also show all of left or all of right, right? So that I understand. I get the concept of it. I have not put it into practice, but I will. That way, when you test me, I'll be like, so this is the difference between me, like just not knowing it at all, really pretty much hardly anything, knowing bare minimum versus you'll see, I will get every single thing right when I like watch the videos and take notes and I become a student of yours instead of a producer.
I'm impressed with how much you gleaned just from transcribing the videos. I am super impressed.
Cool. I understand the concepts pretty well because it's like you tell it what you want it to do. What I struggle with is remembering the exact words and the exact way to phrase things and but I know about the semicolon at the end of every statement. And I understand what a statement is. It's just that the exact phrasing sometimes gets a little tricky.
That's fine. That's fine. I mean, you're doing amazingly well for just going through it once while transcribing. And I'm super, super impressed. So,
well, there's a great teacher I should recommend.
Oh, Captain, my captain.
So do we have any more comments?
I see. I don't see color.
Yeah, that was
probably when I was saying
Anna.
that I was orange.
Does
Nice.
the Hamburglar have any more comments for us?
Nope, that's everything.
All right. Well, I think this is good for tonight.
I am thoroughly impressed, especially when we spent the first half of the stream talking about the Taylor Swift concert. I was like, oh boy, this one's going to be a long one.
There's one of my favorite Twitter accounts is called Swift on Security. and it's a security engineer, a computer security engineer somewhere. She's definitely a woman, and but she takes on the persona of Taylor Swift in her, and it's absolutely a blast. More recently, she hasn't done a lot of Taylor Swift stuff in more recently, but her avatar is one of Taylor Swift's eyes, and
That's probably connected to a conspiracy theory about eyes as it relates to Taylor Swift, but I'm not even going to get into that.
I don't know. You'd have to go way back, towards the beginning of the feed to really get the zen of it. But I just enjoy reading it, and every once in a while, she just goes off on these Taylor Swift tangents, and or writing fanfic, or or just bitching about Microsoft.
Well, there you go. Do you want to share the video you made today as a sneak peek for our current viewers, and then anyone else can see it when it comes out?
Do this. It's not done. Let me see if I can find it here. Okay, let me see if it's actually up. Yeah, there it is. Oh, there it is. Okay. So you should be able to see. All right. You ready? All right, here we go. How to make perfect rice in the Instapot. Wash your hands thoroughly. Rinse your rice thoroughly. Add rice to the pot. Use 1-to-1 rice and water. Put the pot in the cooker. Set for pressure cook in 3 minutes. Do not use the rice setting. The rice setting is a lie. Press start and wait 20 minutes. 20 minutes later. Press the cancel button. Release the steam. The rice is perfect every time.
The voiceover is so good.
So that's exactly 30 seconds.
The voiceover is so good.
I think I'm gonna I think I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit. I might put a filter of some sort on the voice for 20 minutes later, or I may just leave it the way it is and it just sounds like a bad imitation.
I think it's perfect the way that it is, and I think that it would be great at 30. I don't think you have to cut anything. I think the pacing. I
just want to get a little bit of a better rhythm to it.
Okay, yeah, I think it's awesome.
Oh, thank you. This was fun to do.
Yeah,
a little distraction from my writing.
How to cook rice in the Instant Pot.
Yeah, I mean, it's one of my favorite things to do, and I love the way the rice comes out. It always comes out just exactly perfect every time.
Yep, the rice button really is a lie. So glad you cleared that up.
Did you like my little blinking nose?
Yes, I like that you zoomed in on it a bit. That was fun.
Yeah. All right. Great show. Thank you so much for being willing to do this, RiKitty.
Bless you, Kirsten.
I really try to make that silent. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. No, I know what it's like to be sneezy.
Yeah,
that was so painful.
Thank you all. Thank you to our viewers. I'm surprised we didn't get a lot more comments tonight, but and thank you to Taylor Swift. And y'all have a great evening. I'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.